Hello, good morning students. In the last video lecture we discussed how long run average cost curve can be derived from short run average cost curve. As we observe from the diagram that this is long run LRAC, long run average cost curve. Okay, it can be derived from three shortcut curve: short run average cost number 1, average cost number 2, and average cost number 3. OA output, OB output, and OC output. PA cost, QB and RC. Optimum cost is OP, which can be obtained at minimum cost QB. Okay. This is long run average cost. Now, as per your syllabus, we will discuss what are the characteristics of long run average cost. This is very important from exam point of view. बराबर ध्यान में रखना, अगर आपको लॉन्ग रन कॉस्ट आउटपुट रिलेशनशिप फुल क्वेश्चन में पूछा जाए 14 मार्क्स में, तो आपको दोनों डायग्राम्स करनी है, पिछले वाली लास्ट वीडियो वाली और ये, और कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स भी लिखनी है. इफ इट इज आस्क्ड ए शॉर्ट नोट तो आपको सिर्फ ये डायग्राम करनी है और उसके कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स लिखने हैं. गेटिंग माय पॉइंट? आई एम नाउ डिस्कसिंग cost of characteristics of long run average cost curve. What are the features, what are the characteristics of long run average cost curve? First, long run average cost curve LRAC can be derived from short run average cost curve. It can be derived from short run average cost curve, or in other words it is a tangent. क्या है वो? Tangent of all short run curves. टेंजेंट मतलब टच, टू टेंजेंट मतलब टू टच. गुजराती में कहते हो स्पर्शक. आपको इंटरसेक्ट नहीं करना है. दिस इट इज जस्ट टेंजेंट ऑफ ऑल शॉर्ट टर्म कर्व्स. लॉन्ग रन एवरेज कॉस्ट कर्व कैन बी डिराइव्ड फ्रॉम शॉर्ट रन एवरेज कॉस्ट कर्व्स. इट इज अ टेंजेंट ऑफ ऑल शॉर्ट टर्म कर्व्स. सेकंड, it is also known as envelope curve. Envelope, cover. Why? Because it envelopes all short term curves. It covers all short term curves. इसलिए उसको सारे short term curve को कवर करता है. उसको क्या बोलते हैं? Envelope. Okay. So long run average cost curve is also known as envelope curve. अगर एग्जाम में पूछा जाए envelope curve तो आपको क्या लिखना है? Long run average cost curve. Third, for any level of output, whether OA output, OB output or OC output, long run average cost curve is lower than short run average cost. OA output, OB output और OC output. Long run average cost कहाँ होगा? उसके नीचे. What is the reason? Reason हमने पिछले वीडियो में दिया था. Given output can be produced at lower cost in the long run than in the short run. Per unit cost of production long run में short run से कम रहेगा. Therefore, long run average cost curve can be lower than short run average cost. Yeah. Repeating, long run average cost curve can be derived from short run average cost curve. It is a tangent of all short run curves. Second, it is also known as envelope curve. Third, for any level of output, long run average cost curve is lower than short run average cost curve. Fourth and very important, it is also like U-shaped, but it is flat. This is short run average cost curve, and this is long run average cost curve. Okay, LRAC. The difference, it is U-shaped. But it is also used, but it is flatter. Rather, it is this set, or it is known as saucer set. क्यों ऐसा है? Why it is flatter? There are three reasons. First, ABC, three reasons. कि in the long run there is no difference between fixed cost and variable. Only few costs are variable cost. Fixed cost, all other costs are variable cost. In the short run, fixed cost cannot be reduced. मगर long run में जिसको हम fixed cost कहते हैं वो भी थोड़ा reduce कर जाते हैं. How it is possible? Okay. For example, interest on capital is considered as fixed cost in the short run. अगर इंटरेस्ट और कैपिटल कम कैसे किया जा सकता है? Because in the short run firm cannot earn too much profit. In the long run if some firm earn profit और हम प्रॉफिट को री इन्वेस्ट करें, प्लाउ बैक करें, टेक्निकल वर्ड में इसको क्या कहते हैं? प्लाउ बैक पॉलिसी, री इन्वेस्टमेंट पॉलिसी। तो इंटरेस्ट को हम कम कर सकते हैं। कैन यू रिमेंबर? If firm can have its own building, तो रेंट नहीं चुकाना पड़ेगा। So this is the reason why fixed cost, those are which are considered as fixed cost, can be reduced in the short run, in the long run. Therefore, the curve is not increasing too much after a particular point. This is the reason it is flat. I am repeating. In the long run there is no difference between fixed cost and variable, मगर जो fixed cost जिसको किया कहा जाए वो भी कुछ हद तक reduce किए जा सकते हैं. That is the reason why the curve is flat. Second point is that in the short run, in the long run, average cost is less pronounced. What is the reason? Because short run has experience of returns. Falls in the beginning, operation of increasing returns, then rises very sharply, operation of diminishing return or increasing cost. Okay, but long run cost curve is an experience curve. उसको सारे उसकी experience हो गया, diminishing return or increasing return. Therefore, when it falls, ये उतना फॉल्स फास्ट नहीं होगा, और व्हेन इट राइजेस वो उतना फास्ट राइज भी नहीं होगा, बिकॉज द फर्म हैज गॉन थ्रू ऑल द स्टेजेस, इंक्रीजिंग रिटर्न्स, कांस्टेंट रिटर्न, डिमिनिशिंग रिटर्न, वो सारे रिटर्न्स जब वो पास हो जाता है तो इतना फॉल भी नहीं होगा और इतना राइज भी नहीं होगा. दैट इज द रीजन व्हाई इट इज फ्लैट. थर्ड, that the factors of production which is indivisible, थोड़ा समझने में मुश्किल है, indivisibility of factors of production short term में, because firm has limited resources, so machineries, management, all this cannot be increased in varying proportion, वो अलग अलग नहीं यूज कर सकते. मगर in the long run we have greater divisibility of factors of production. उसको डिवीजन कर सकते हैं, लेबर्स को भी डिवाइड कर सकते हैं. अगर प्रोडक्शन में लेबर ज्यादा चाहिए तो हम दूसरे डिपार्टमेंटलाइजेशन, कंपार्टमेंटलाइजेशन इज पॉसिबल ओनली इन द लॉन्ग रन. अलग अलग डिपार्टमेंट हो सकते हैं, जहां लेबर की जरूरत ज्यादा है वहां दूसरे डिपार्टमेंट से हम लोग वहां एम्प्लॉय कर सकते हैं. Okay, in the short term, firm has no time to make adjustment among factors of production. Therefore, factors of production are indivisible. वो division नहीं कर सकते. In the long run, factors of production can be divisible. Okay, आपने labor division, श्रम विभाजन करे शकाल. So these are the reasons why long run average cost curve is flatter than short run. First, fixed costs can be reduced up to certain point. Second, firm is now experience curve, it has passed through all the stages. Third, greater divisibility of factors of production. And last point, characteristics में, it is also known as planning curve. Long run average cost is known as planning curve. अगर firm experience firm है और लास्ट 20 इयर्स से अगर वो इंडस्ट्री में है तो उसके पास सारे डेटा होंगे, डेटा रिगार्डिंग आउटपुट, प्रोडक्ट आउटपुट, एक्सपोर्ट, इंपोर्ट, सेल्स एक्सेट्रा. ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ दिस डेटा इट कैन प्लान फॉर फ्यूचर. देयरफॉर लॉन्ग रन एवरेज कॉस्ट कर्व इज आल्सो नोन एज प्लानिंग. आई एम रिपीटिंग. फर्स्ट, लॉन्ग रन एवरेज कॉस्ट कर्व कैन बी derived फ्रॉम शॉर्ट रन एवरेज कॉस्ट कर्व. It is a tangent of all short term curves. Second, it is an envelope curve. Third, for any level of output, long run average cost curve can be lower than short run average cost curve. Yeah, below the short run average cost curve. Fourth, it is like U-shaped, but it is flatter. Rather, it is this. There are three reasons. Fixed cost can be reduced up to certain %. Firm has passed through all the stages and greater divisibility of factors of production. And last, it is also known as planning. Okay, so हमने ये दो लेक्चर में कॉस्ट आउटपुट रिलेशनशिप इन द लॉन्ग रन समझने का प्रयास किया है. इट इज डिफिकल्ट पॉइंट, सो वॉच वीडियो 2-3 टाइम्स. ओके, आज के लिए इतना रहेगा. थैंक यू वेरी मच.